It is day 7 in Maui, and we are finishing our trip off in style. I am going back to Honokeana Cove to do some more snorkeling with turtles. We are going back to Baby Beach, and we're going down to Lahaina tonight to the beautiful Lahaina Grill for dinner. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest videos. I am starting my morning by heading back over to the south side of the island to get some beautiful drone footage at a lesser known black sand beach called Oneuli Beach. I got some more malasadas this morning, and Angie's gonna have a nice mellow morning chilling out on our deck while I go up and try to do some more snorkeling with turtles. All right, so I am back at Honokeana Cove to try to snorkel with turtles for a little bit more. Here is Oneuli Bay again, which is right next to Honokeana Cove, and it's absolutely one of the best beaches on the west side of Maui. Absolutely beautiful. Great place to bring the family, set up chairs, spend the day. So once again, there's a path between Oneuli Bay and Honokeana Cove. It's pretty easy to navigate to get over there. So getting into the water at Honokeana Cove can be a little bit of a challenge to navigate. It's a little rocky climbing down into it, but once you get into it, you will find very quickly that you have struck gold when it comes to snorkeling. I was very quickly surrounded by a group of turtles, and the littlest one was not scared to get up pretty close to me. It's difficult to explain the feeling I had when I was swimming with these turtles. It's exhilarating and peaceful and spiritual all at the same time. All right, so I just finished snorkeling here at Honokeana Cove, and it was even better than it was the other day. People were right, the mornings out here are incredible. How beautiful is this? You got Honokeana Cove going right in there. You got people out paddling and playing around. You got the islands of Lanai and Molokai. And then over on this side, you have Napili Bay. Just a beautiful, beautiful area. Man, swimming with turtles is so cool. It is so cool. It's just an amazing, amazing experience. Angie doesn't like it because she says being around turtles reminds her she's out of her environment and she shouldn't be there. But I find it kind of exhilarating. All right, I just ran into some people that were looking for a good snorkeling spot and which way to go and this and that. And I gave them some suggestions and stuff. I was telling Angie the other day, I have so much fun like helping other people out with what I've learned in some of these places. All right, so I just got back from Honokeana Cove and I'm at the Condo, and the snorkeling was amazing there. Yeah, there's a lot of turtles, and if you enjoy snorkeling with turtles, you will love it there. And if you don't enjoy snorkeling with turtles, you're weird. So it's a cool experience. Angie and I are getting ready to go in the car, and we're gonna go down to Baby Beach next and just chill out there and play in the water, and then we're gonna go get some lunch. All right, so we are back at Baby Beach on our last day here in Maui. This is definitely one of our favorite spots, and it's a nice chill place, so good for today. Check out how pretty this beach is right here. Really nice. The water is very calm, which is why they call it Baby Beach. Works very good for small children or my wife. That's the mission behind Angie there. It's got a really cool temple. It's a really pretty place. All right, there is the island of Lanai, looking very pretty. The boat off in the distance. Two gentlemen wearing shorty shorts. This is what's so great about Maui is, you know, I started off the morning droning, and then an hour or so ago I was swimming with turtles. Got to swim with a family of turtles for about a half an hour, which is just incredible. And now we're at this beautiful, calm, protected beach, just walking around in the shallow part of the water, cooling off, and getting to chill out and just enjoy how beautiful the scenery is. And yeah, it's pretty neat. It's sad that it's our last day, but we're spending it in style, that's for sure. And how pretty does that lady look right there? I feel pretty lucky. All right, so down at the end of the beach down there is Lahaina, you can see. And then if you look the other direction, down at the end of this beach is Kaanapali down there. So Angie, what do you like best about Baby Beach?
Just being able to chill in the water and just having it nice and mellow. And I just like to sit on the beach and then wait out a little bit and then go back to sitting on the beach. And it's great for that. There's usually lots of people to watch, but not too many where you have to sit right next to anybody. So that's nice also.
This is one of the things that makes Maui so great. You got a sailboat right off the beach right there, people swimming. You got a submarine over there. More in the depths. The water's off the Maui shoreline. You got a cruise ship. Look how tall that cruise ship is. That's crazy. How does that thing not tip over? And you got a girl practicing her dance moves. All right, so we got finished up at Baby Beach a little bit before noon. Had a great time there. It was great going back to that beach one last time before we leave. We both enjoy it a lot. And then we went to the fish market, which is right by our condo, and got some fish tacos from there for lunch. They were absolutely outstanding, just as always. We always love going to that place for food. Angie's been there a couple times already on this trip. All right, so we had a nice lazy afternoon and we're able to chill out and hang out at the pool and all of that sort of stuff. And we're now getting ready to leave to go to our last dinner here in Maui. And it's another nice one tonight. We're going to Lahaina Grill, which we haven't been at in a while, but it's absolutely great. So we're heading down to Lahaina and we're gonna go to a nice dinner and then probably walk around Lahaina a little bit and maybe do some shopping and stuff like that and just make a nice evening out of it. All right, so we are at the Lahaina Grill. Okay, so we got the first course with the bread, and the butter's got a cover on it with their name on it. It's crazy. Never seen anything like it. Whoa, Angie's gonna open it up.
This is some kind of seafood corn chowder with potatoes and a bunch of different seafood.
All right, this is their Maui onion soup with Maui onions. Looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dig into it. All right, so our appetizer just showed up. This is called the Blue Chili Relleno, and it's got seafood and stuff inside of it. Looks absolutely amazing. Believe it or not, we had this dish 15 years ago on our honeymoon. So how cool is that?
This is a mahi over some kind of mashed potatoes with a beurre blanc sauce. It looks amazing.
All right, this is my veal chop entree with like a mushroom cream sauce and risotto underneath. Look at that bad boy. That looks really, really good. I can't wait to dig into it. All right, my entree is absolutely incredible. The veal chop is so tender and so good. And the risotto underneath is amazing. And the mushroom cream sauce that they have on top is absolutely like, takes it over the edge. So it is an absolutely great entree. I'm loving it. All right, so this is the dessert that we ordered. It's called the Road to Hana, and it's got the waterfall and everything from the Road to Hana. It's chocolate, and more chocolate, which is super good. And then they actually brought us an additional dessert on the house because of our 15th anniversary. This is their signature dessert that's like a berry pie type of dessert, which was really kind and gracious of them. So very, very nice. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you've gone to Maui or are planning a trip to Maui, we would love to know what are some things you've done or are going to do to fill your buckets. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest adventures that come out. Thanks again for spending time with us today, and we sure hope you're doing something fun today to fill your buckets. Take care.